If you find an app on your phone, long press the app, then tap the Info button. You'll go to the App Info page. Here, you can either uninstall the app or archive it. When I archive the app, you'll see it says this app is not installed, but the app icon will still be on my phone, although it's a bit darker now with a little cloud icon on it. So what does archiving mean exactly? App archiving is Android's smart way to free up storage space on your phone without losing any of your personal data. So instead of completely removing the app when you're running low on space, you can archive it like this, which strips away the heavy core app files, but keeps your personal data, settings, logins, and home screen icon intact. Depending on the app, you'll usually save about 60 to 90% of that app's file size, so it's not going to save quite as much space as fully uninstalling, but you still save a lot. And the nice thing about archiving an app is that if you want it back, you don't have to go find it in the Play Store again. You just tap the icon, click Restore, and the app gets restored back onto your phone. Best part, of course, is that all your logins, settings, everything is still there, like the app never left your phone. So, you can free up space by archiving an app, and then bring it back with a single tap without having to set up the app completely from scratch like you would if it was uninstalled. You can also set your phone to automatically archive apps when you're running low on space. Go to the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and then scroll down and go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, under General, we can toggle on Automatically Archive Apps. This will automatically archive the apps you don't use often if your phone starts running low on storage. And that is how app archiving works on Android. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more quick, snappy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.